Hello, friends. MNC Education welcomes you in its program on general awareness. Today, we are going to see books and authors. Set 1. The medium of instruction will be English. In this session, we are going to see 40 multiple choice questions. Books and author, set 1, English medium. Let us begin the session. First question is, who has written the book Bhagavad Gita? Ved Vyas, Maharshi Valmiki, Vatsyayan, Kalidas. The correct answer is Ved Vyas. Second question is, The Taste of My Life is written by Virat Kohli, Harbhajan Singh, MS Dhoni, Yuvraj Singh. The correct option for this is Yuvraj Singh. Third question is, who has written the book Death of a City? Options are Amrita Pritam, Anita Desai, Arundhati Roy, Annapurna Devi. The correct option for this is Amrita Pritam. Fourth question is, which of the following books is not written by Amartya Sen? A. The Argumentative Indian. B. Development as Freedom. C. The Circle of Reason. D. Identity and Violence, The Illusion of Destiny. The correct option for this is C. The Circle of Reason. Fifth question is, who has authored the book Clear Light of the Day? Options are Taslima Nasreen, Amrita Pritam, Arundhati Roy, Anita Desai. The correct option for this is D. Anita Desai. Sixth question is, the book Kargil, From Surprise to Victory is written by A. General V.P. Malik, B. H.R. Bharadwaj, C. Jaishankar Prasad, D. L.K. Advani. The correct option for this is General V.P. Malik. Seventh question is, which of the following books is not written by Arundhati Roy? A. The Algebra of Infinite Justice, B. Greater Common Good, C. Freedom from Fear, D. The God of Small Things. The correct option for this is Freedom from Fear. Eighth question is, who is the author of the book We Are Displaced? A. Malala Yousafzai, B. Arundhati Roy, C. Medha Patkar, D. Aung San Suu Kyi. The correct option is Malala Yousafzai. Ninth question is, Freedom from Fear is a book written by Malala Yousafzai, Arundhati Roy, Medha Patkar, Aung San Suu Kyi. The correct option for this is D. Aung San Suu Kyi. 10th question is, All About Woman is a book written by. Options are Malala Yousafzai, Arundhati Roy, Taslima Nasreen, Aung San Suu Kyi. Correct option for this is Taslima Nasreen. 11th question is, which of the following books is not written by V.S. Naipaul? A. India, A Wounded Civilization. B. Letters Between a Father and Son. C. Half a Life. D. A Long Era of Darkness. The correct option for this is D. A Long Era of Darkness. 12th question is, who has written the book Essays on Gita? A. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct option for this is A. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. 13th question is, the Once Straw Revolution was written by Masanobu Fukuoka, Rachel Carlson, M.S. Swaminathan, Norman Borlaug. The correct option is Masanobu Fukuoka. 14th question is, which of the following literary works was not written by R.K. Narayanan? Malgudi Days, Swami and His Friend, Guide, Gardner. The correct option for this is D. Gardner. 15th question is, which of the following novels was not written by Charles Dickens? A. Pride and Prejudice, B. Oliver Twist, C. Pickwick Papers, D. Hard Times. Correct option for this is Pride and Prejudice. 16th question is, who wrote the book Why Socialism? A. Jayaprakash Narayan, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Acharya Narendra Dev, D. M.N. Roy. Correct option for this is Jayaprakash Narayan. 17th question is, which of the following books is written by Karl Marx? A. Asian Drama, B. Emma, C. Das Kapital, D. Good Earth. The correct option for this is Das Kapital. 18th question is, Life Divine is a book written by A. M.K. Gandhi, B. R.N. Tagore, C. S. Radhakrishnan, D. Sri Aurobindo. Correct option for this is Sri Aurobindo. 19th question is, who is the author of the book Wings of Fire? A. Abul Kalam Azad, B. Abdul Kalam, C. Arundhati Roy, D. Chetan Bhagat. The correct option for this is B. Abdul Kalam. 20th question is, the discovery of India was written in Ahmednagar Fort during imprisonment. Who wrote the above mentioned book? Abul Kalam Azad, Swami Vivekanand, J.L. Nehru, S.C. Bose. The correct option for this is J.L. Nehru. 21st, who wrote the book Train to Pakistan? Mulk Raj Anand, Shobha Singh, Ruskin Bond, Khushwant Singh. The correct option for this is D. Khushwant Singh. 22nd, who wrote the novel Tamas? A. Bhism Sahni, B. Balraj Sahni, C. Premchand, D. Amrita Pritam. Correct option is Bhism Sahni. 23rd, who has authored the book titled Narendra Modi, A Political Biography? A. Andy Marino, B. David Irving, C. Jeffrey Dell, D. Kingsley Amis. The correct option is Andy Marino. 24th, who is the author of A Suitable Boy? A. Arundhati Roy, B. Khushwant Singh, C. Vikram Seth, D. Anita Desai. Correct option is C. Vikram Seth. 25th question is, which of the books mentioned above was not written by Munshi Premchand? Godan, Gaban, Gora, Rangbhumi. It's a C. Gora. Correct option is Gora. Gora is written by R.N. Tagore. 26th, who is the author of the book 1984? J.M. Barrie, Walter Scott, George Orwell, Thomas Hardy. Correct option for this is C. George Orwell. 27th, who has written Panchtantra? A. Bhartendu Harishchandra, B. Vishnu Sharma, C. Kalidas, D. Chanakya. Correct option for this is B. Vishnu Sharma. 28th, who has written the story of My Experiments with Truth? B.R. Ambedkar, Aurobindo Ghosh, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct option for this is D. Mahatma Gandhi. 29th question is, who has written the book Just for Life? Mark Twain, Emile Zola, Virginia Woolf, S.C. Wells. The correct option for this is B. Emile Zola. 30th question is, who has written the book A Brief History of Time? A Brief History of Time. A. Stephen Hawking, B. Edward Jenner, C. Amrita Pritam, D. S.C. Wells. The correct option for this is Stephen Hawking. 31st, The Old Man and the Sea is a short novel written by Graham Greene, Ernest Hemingway, Albert Camus, Saul Bellow. The correct option for this is Ernest Hemingway. 32nd, which of the following books was written by Fanishwar Nath Renu? Raag Darwari, Gunaahon Ka Devta, Maila Anchal, Andha Yug. The correct option for this is Maila Anchal. 33rd question is, Lala Lajpat Rai is the author of the book India Divided, Hind Swaraj, Unhappy India, Mother India. The correct option for this is C. Unhappy India. 34th question is, which of the following is not written by Kalidas? Kumar Sambhavam, Laghu Jatakam, Meghdutam, Raghuvansham. The correct option is Laghu Jatakam. 35th question is, Who wrote the book Two Fates, the Story of My Divorce, which is a parody of Chetan Bhagat's Two States, the Story of My Marriage? Namita Gokhale, Judy Balan, Swati Kausal, Arundhati Roy. The correct option is Judy Balan. 36th, A Passage to India was written by Niraj Chaudhary, E.M. Foster, Thomas Hardy, R.N. Tagore. The correct option for this is E.M. Foster. 37th question is, who has authored the book The Kingdom of God is Within You? Leo Tolstoy, John Ruskin, Mahatma Gandhi, Henry David. The correct option for this is Leo Tolstoy. 38th question is, the famous character Pickwick was created by Leo Tolstoy, John Ruskin, Charles Dickens, George Washington. The correct option for this is Charles Dickens. 39th, what is the name of Kalhan's book? Arthashastra, Indica, Puran, Rajtarangini. It's Rajtarangini. Correct option is D, Rajtarangini. 40th question is, and the last for this session is, author of the book The Three Mistakes in My Life? Amrita Pritam, Jhumpa Lahiri, Ruskin Bond, Chetan Bhagat. The correct option for this is Chetan Bhagat. Thank you. Thanks for being with us. Thanks a lot.